If you are looking for the perfect chocolate dessert, it might be Bavarian Chocolate Cream. This elegant German dessert is rich and creamy, but still light and fluffy. Chocolate Bavarian cream is not only the perfect dessert for special occasions, but can also be used as wonderful filling or frosting for cakes and pies. Let me show you real quick what ingredients you need, and as always, you can find the full printable recipe on my website. The link for it is in the video description. You need 5 fresh egg yolks, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of Kirschwasser, which is a German cherry brandy, or water, 1½ teaspoons of gelatin powder, 3½ ounces of high-quality 70% dark chocolate, and a pinch of salt. Start by adding the heavy cream to a bowl and whisk until soft peaks form. You really don't want stiff peaks for this recipe. Then place the Kirschwasser or water to a small heat-proof bowl and sprinkle the gelatin powder evenly over the surface to avoid lumps. Set aside and allow to sit for 5 to 10 minutes to bloom. In the meantime, add the egg yolks with powdered sugar and vanilla extract to a heat-proof bowl and beat until the mixture turns light and fluffy. You can do this with a whisk or with a hand mixer. Add about 1 inch of water to a saucepan that is smaller than your mixing bowl and bring the water to a light simmer. Make sure to avoid a hard boil. Chop the chocolate and then put it into a heat-proof bowl. Place the bowl for about 30 seconds into the microwave and then stir it and place it in 15 seconds increments into the microwave until it's melted. Place your mixing bowl on top of the saucepan and then heat the egg yolk mixture to a minimum of 140 degrees Fahrenheit while whisking constantly. Warm the gelatin for 15 seconds in the microwave to melt and then mix it well and add it to the chocolate to combine. I personally found that this is the best way to avoid lumps. Then add half of the chocolate to the egg mixture and mix well. And then add the remaining chocolate and mix well again. Mix in about 1/3 of the whipped cream and then fold in the remaining whipped cream in 2 more increments. Fill the Bavarian cream into small dessert glasses or a bowl and allow to sit refrigerated for at least 2 hours or overnight. Guten Appetit!